Hi, it's Angie with a really quick video showing you the first few pieces I bought from the Pandora Summer 2022 release. I had planned to wait for a promo, but didn't make it. I ended up buying 3 pieces that you can see. And if you didn't know, my friend Nicole at My Pretty Charmed Life and Rita at A Charmed Dreamer all got together to start a new podcast. So if you want to hear a lot more details about what our plans were with this release and what actually happened and what we think about all the pieces we saw in person, go check it out on our podcast and you'll find all the information there to download and listen to all our episodes already ready for you to listen to. So let's get started with what I bought. As you can see, I did go for that braided black leather T-bar bracelet. This was a must-have for me since I love leather bracelets. I love that T-clasp closure. So let's take a closer look at the pieces I picked up on release day. So as soon as I opened the catalog and I saw that this braided T-bar bracelet was coming, I was so excited because I just love leather bracelets. And I love black leather, and I'm a real fan of these T-bar clasps. I have both the rose gold heart and the classic T-bar, and then the heart T-bar as well. So I'm just adding this to my collection of T-bar bracelets. As you can see, it's super pretty. So I really love this for stacking. It looks so good all by itself, just on your wrist without any charms. But of course, I like to add a charm or two as well. And with this closure, it's really secure. You don't even need any clips or stoppers with it, which is nice. At first, I was wondering if I would like it because most of my leather bracelets are double-stranded, but I actually think this really works. And I just love the way it looks. Fit is very comfortable too. So I'm very, very happy with this purchase. The first charm must-have for me was Wally. This is the Disney Pixar Wally, and he's a dangle, of course, and he's with mixed enamel. So once I saw him and I saw all the detail that they got into this bead, I was thrilled. He's so adorable. You can see it just says Wally on his front there, and the eyes are so cute. They're enameled and really, really sweet, and I love the treads on it and all the texture, and I just think this was a really good value. This one was also $65 Canadian. I just love him. You can see the back is really detailed too. And I think this was a great choice. He looks absolutely superb on the bracelet. The final piece I picked up, and I hadn't planned to, was this Opalescent Ocean Blue Lab Created Opal. I knew I wanted to see it in person before I picked one, and it's absolutely gorgeous. You can see all those shimmering opalescent colors in there. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I feel I was very restrained in only picking one. And I just think it's going to be really fun to design a bracelet featuring this. Super pretty. And that's it. Those are the 3 pieces that I picked from this release. I'm very, very tempted by the bubble tea, and we'll see how long I can last. And I do want Sully as well, but he is going to have to wait until a promo. Anyway, check us out at Charm Chat Podcast, wherever you get your podcast from. And thanks so much for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye.